Okay, we've got our mouth shaped down in here and around. Last thing we have to do is we got to cut this piece off here. You see that the mouth's going to fit pretty good, how we want it. So we'll cut this piece off here. And this is what we'll put our hinge and stuff to. So we're going to give this, we got to sand this down a little bit. Then we're going to use our palm sander and sand the whole thing down a little bit and see where we go from there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.